Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 15 of the 100-day challenge to build yourself as a brand. And though I started my day at 5 a.m., I was feeling very sleepy and was trying to sleep back. But no, I stopped myself. I told myself that I have to do this. We all have to get successful. So yeah, so I woke up at 5 a.m., then did some stretching, looked into my vision board that really inspires me to start my day. I know exactly what I want, so it's a good point to start my day. After that, I made my bed and drank 2 glasses of warm water, and then I prayed and did my workout. And it's been 4 days straight that I'm doing the workout, and it really feels great. I am feeling good. I even feel lightweighted. So of course I have cut down some kilograms, not exact kilograms, but some grams like that. But it was great. Okay, after that I meditated, did some breathing exercises, did some eye exercises, because it really holds a lot of tension in our face areas and all that. So it's necessary that you do all these exercises every day. After that I journaled and watered the plants, then took a bath. And after that I was kind of feeling very lazy to do anything, but yeah, I pushed myself. And then I prayed and did my skincare. After that I had my breakfast and filled the water bottles to stay hydrated all day. After that I sat for doing some computer work, as a lot of got like pending. It all got piled up because of that Wi-Fi connection, which was not available for 2 days. Really, it made my work once again all piled up. Wow. But okay, can't do anything about it. So we'll just try to finish all that work now. After that, I had my lunch and I had to meet my friend at 4:30. So I just got to planning that what I was gonna wear, and I looked for an outfit. After that I got ready, and I actually put a lot of effort today to get dressed up. I don't know why, but I just felt it. So it was kind of a little extra than everyday what I used to get ready, and I loved it. It was like I really felt pretty. Okay, after that I went to the cafe. Okay, so with my friend I picked her up from her home and we went to a cafe. And then there we had we had a pizza, and I felt like it was really good. Okay, it was a chili pizza. It had cheese over all over. Okay, so whatever they show in the TV, that when you pull up the pizza slice, you can see all the cheese that comes with it. So it was kind of like that. Then the Domino's pizza. So Domino's pizza doesn't has like that, and when you take like a medium bun, which is around like 200 rupees and all, so it does not actually have any cheese in it. Okay, like we don't feel like we are having something. So I've comparatively comparing that price of this pizza and that one, I felt that this was great. It was very tasty as well. It had that taste in it of sauces and everything, so I loved that one. And then we had mojitos. I took the strawberry mojito and my friend took the peach mojito. And there was this incident that happened. Like when we tasted the mojitos, they were all like sweet. It was completely the essence taste, and we did not like it much. Okay, though what my friend suggested, she like it had this lime slices in it which were cut and put. So she took those slices and crushed it like even more, though, so that more lime juice could fall into that like the drink, and actually saying it was much more tasty after that. So I also did the same thing. It was kind of a fun time. Yeah, I enjoyed that moment. Then we had some time, so then we went to beach to watch the beautiful sunset. It was so mesmerizing. It was really pretty, full orange pink colors. Really loved it. We took some photos also over there, and after that we returned home. It was, I think it was 7 till I reached home. Then my parents and my uncle and my brother, okay, so they were working on this house, that our house only, but there was some part to be repaired. So they were doing that and I had to help them because they all are working and I could sit, it was not feel right. So I came, quickly changed, and I went to help them. So that took a lot of time. I had to even look after my father's work because he was working there. So yeah, that way my day came to end. After that I had my dinner, prayed, and then slept at 10 o'clock, like that. And that's how the day ended. Day 15 came to an end, and yeah, it was not kind of a productive, but it was a very chill day. And even giving yourself rest is very necessary. It's very important that you give rest to yourself once in a time. So that is what I did. I had a great time with my friend. So yeah, that is what happened. So I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.